What's up, everybody? It's hotter than fire out here. If your AC compressor isn't working, chances are you've already checked the fuse and you found out that it wasn't blown, so you thought you did all you could, and now you're on the internet trying to find out why it's not working. A lot of people don't realize there's also a relay. Anytime you have something in your vehicle that turns on electronically by pushing a button, there is an electric relay attached to that device if it uses a significant amount of current, typically, like your defrost and stuff like that. So since every car is different, I'm not going to show you where my relay is, but just Google a relay for your clutch, and a lot of the times that's all it is. Also, other times people who have done work on your car in the summertime, or in the wintertime, I'm sorry, I've had a guy tear my cable loose on the clutch, and come to find out summer rolls around and the air conditioner don't work and he's long gone. And check the wire as well. Follow that wire, see if it has an inline fuse. I don't think they do that anymore. That's ancient tech right there, but something to definitely look for. If someone worked on your car in the wintertime, they might have dislodged the wire or something. Check all the connections, but that's the one thing that gets most people, is they didn't know about the relay. So that's all I have. I get that question a lot on one of my air conditioner videos, so I thought I'd just go ahead and post a quick video so you don't have to watch me jab on about charging your air conditioner after you already did that.